I'm Joe Marcantonio, Teen Librarian at the Schaumburg Township District Library. And today I wanted to share with you guys a recipe for making French toast in a mug in the microwave. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, so we're going to start with the ingredients. You're going to need 1 piece of bread, an egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, a mug in which to cook everything, a little bit of cooking spray, or you can use butter, whichever, to grease your mug, and then some cinnamon and vanilla for flavoring. Okay, so we're going to get started, and first things first, we're going to cube the bread. Okay, once you've got your bread all cubed, you're going to prep your mug. Just dump all of the bread right in to the mug. Okay? And then we're going to make the filling, the part that makes it French toast. 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, a little bit of cinnamon. If you're into it, a little bit of vanilla. Ooh, way too much. Don't do that. I'm going to mix everything up. You can use a fork if you don't have an adorable little whisk like this. Alright, once you've got everything whisked together, go ahead and pour it into your mug. You want to make sure everything gets a little bit coated in there. Okay. And then we're going to give it about a minute so that the bread can soak everything up. Alright? Push it down a little bit so it gets all in there. We'll give that 1 minute. Alright, with 1 minute up, we're going to just top it off with a little bit more cinnamon. And then we're going to stick it in the microwave. 1 minute to start with, and then you're going to add 10 seconds depending on your microwave until all the eggs are completely cooked in there. So no runny eggs is what you're going for here, guys. Okay? Okay guys, so mine's completely done. It took about 1 minute and 50 seconds in my microwave. And of course top it with syrup, because what is French toast without some syrup? And here we go guys, this is what it looks like. Completed French toast in the microwave. Alright, thanks for joining us for another episode of the Quarantined Cooking Show. And we'll see you next time, next Friday. Bye, guys.